Cheryl here from ENJO. Just a quick video to show you our extreme fibre on our floor system in action. So I'm just at the patio, and this is a cracking fibre for your patio, your decking. If you've got stone or tiled flooring inside the house, this is great for it. And the patio, because it's stone, it's one of few floor types that's like a lot of water. So I'm just going to wet the patio, and then I'm just going to go over it with the floor system and in light circular motions. And that fibre is just going to pick up all the poo, all the muck, etc. And as always, we want ENJO to do the work for us, so we don't need to scrub or anything. So just lightly, just over that, it's just going to grab all that and pick it up in no time at all with complete ease. This is a great addition to your floor system if you've got decking or a patio outside, because it just really keeps it looking good. Here's my little helper. I think she put more water on me than the patio. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video, why not subscribe and keep up to date with new videos that come on. Thanks for watching. Bye.